This is how I made hosting very easy for myself. Hello good people, hope you're doing well. Jessie is my name, and on this channel we are all about sustainable living. So in today's video we are going to talk about the different things that you can do to make your hosting very easy. Don't mind my neighbor's chicken, they love this being on the video because it was quiet the whole time. Now it's making noise. Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I want us to start the vlog here. Yeah, and this is going to be everywhere, but so we are hosting tomorrow and I just needed to make some planning, and right now I have shopped everything, it's in place. I'm just heading to collect all the stuff and then we continue as the video goes by. I don't know how the hosting will be like, but I will just tag you along. My preps is that I have gotten items on wholesale, so that's why I'm going to pick them at a specific place. I've got food stuff from the market. Yeah, so I can say I am set for the shopping, and then I'll just share with you as we go along. Yeah, so in today's video we are going to talk about the different things that you can do to make your hosting very easy. Number one, plan ahead and ensure that everything that you need is in place, be it the food stuff, be it the shopping. Just know where you're going to get the stuff. For me, I did market shopping for the stuff that I needed, so I got a lot of discounts, and I got foodstuffs at which were fresh because they were just from the farm. The next thing you need to ensure before you even do the shopping, that your budget is in place and your menu is in place, so that you budget in line with the things that you're targeting. The next thing I did is plan every meal. I came up with a menu, shared with the group because of it was not a surprise visit, it was a communal thing, so it was easy for me to get the menu from the group. But if you cannot discuss the menu with your guests, you can always come up with a simple menu depending on your guests. Or you can actually go all out and do what you have desired to do when you're hosting. Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Today is the continuation of the vlog we started yesterday. You'll have seen what I shopped from the market. Let me show you what I got from the supermarket. Just a few things that I don't have in stock in the house. Bread for breakfast.
can take it, don't live regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose.
The next thing to consider is space. You need to ensure you have the space to cater for the number of people that you have in mind, so that if you don't have space, you figure out how you can make adjustments. When it comes to space, you need to ensure that you come up with a setup of what you will expect. You can decide if you have a big space, you can have even a restaurant setup. If you have a small space, you might have to do a theater setup. It depends with the number of people and the space. The next thing is to consider the drinks. If you're doing extra drink, okay, soft drinks, I think you can just decide whichever you want to pick. But if you want to do other drinks, you may consider the tastes of the people that you're hosting, and maybe you can wait and agree when everybody is here. The next thing is checking my cutlery and all the kitchen items are sufficient, because you might have people and you keep on washing the dishes to accommodate the next people as they eat. So for me, I was lucky because I surprisingly have enough plates to cater for the number of people that I was hosting, and spoons. The only thing that I don't have and I don't plan to buy are hot pots. I borrowed from my sisters-in-law, so for you, if you already have them, then you can just use them. The next thing that we did is just cleaning the dishes, the plates, and all the cutlery in the kitchen, so that on the D-Day you don't have dusty kitchen items. Can you imagine telling people to wait, you wipe a dirty plate, a dirty bowl, and all that? Yeah, so ensure they are clean. Like I said, I don't have serving dishes and I don't plan to buy. I have 4 glass bowls which serve me. Maybe when I decide to buy, I will pick the chafing dishes, which do not take much space. I have space, but I feel like something that I don't use so often, I don't need to buy. I can also just borrow from my family, neighbors, or friends. The next thing that I did that made the day easier is the day before, everything was in the house. I think I only went for rice on the D-Day, but everything else was in the house a day before. And for the meat, I ensured they are marinated the day before, so then the D-Day was just cooking, and it really made our work very easy. The next thing was ensure there's a snack for guests who arrive early. To be honest, I didn't have that in mind, and I thought everybody would come around the same time, or I'll be able to set up things earlier. So that is something I missed out. But what I did to cover up for that, I used I distributed fruits. Fruits are a good way of snacking. So the people who came early, I just put the fruits on the table, so you can maybe come up with something like a snack, or you can go my way, because it actually worked. As people waited for food, at least they were snacking with the fruits.
Can't wait to start. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing
The most important thing for hosting is creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. So, I mean, you want people to come and feel happy and feel warm and enjoy their stay in your house or your place. So that is also a key thing. Yeah, so if you have any other thing that someone can do as they're preparing or they're hosting, you can leave the comment down below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. See you on the next one. Bye.